Hello, Greg runs with GREE, simply the best in cold climate heating. That's because GREE Flex and Multi-Pro use ultra heat technology that makes the unit a true cold climate heat pump. These units use a two-stage, two-cylinder enhanced vapor injection inverter driven compressor that allows these units to heat effectively down to minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. GREE Ultra units can go as low as minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit. The Ultra Heat compressor is a 3-pipe compressor. It has a suction inlet cylinder, mid-pressure jet, and your discharge. For the Ultra Heat compressor to achieve cold climate heating, the following components are needed: a gas liquid separator, the electromatic valve, and with those two components, that will allow refrigerant to flow through the electromatic valve into the mid-pressure jet of the compressor. Let me show you how this all works together. Here's the refrigerant flow diagram of the Flex unit with the Ultra Heat compressor. Normal refrigerant flow in heating mode. Hot gas refrigerant is discharged off the top of the compressor to the indoor coil, where heat is released into the indoor air. The refrigerant condenses back into a liquid and then flows to the secondary EEV. This will subcool the liquid some before it flows into the bottom of the gas liquid separator. The cool refrigerant will then flow from the bottom of the gas liquid separator to the primary EEV to flash refrigerant into the outdoor coil, where the refrigerant will boil off into a gas, while absorbing heat into the refrigerant. Then the refrigerant flows back to the compressor into the low pressure cylinder. In cold climate heating, the electromatic valve will open and allow refrigerant to flow from the top of the gas liquid separator through the solenoid into the mid-pressure jet into the high-pressure cylinder of the compressor, effectively compressing the refrigerant a second time and increasing the discharge gas temperature. Keep in mind, the main board in this unit uses information from the thermistors and the pressure sensor to determine when cold climate heating is needed and how often and how long the electromatic valve will be open. And this is what makes GREE simply the best in cold climate heating. With GREE, we are by your side.